Good bouncing. Is it fun? It's a little different from your rocking horse, huh? Jump! It doesn't rock, baby. You have to bounce. You have to bounce, honey. Daddy, will you come bounce her?
Bounce.
Turn her this way so I can see her face.
Bounce. Bounce. You can do it.
He had it for a little while. Yay, there you go. Oh, goodness gracious.
Bounce.
She was going to spin.